How to use Roku in guest mode. First thing you're going to do is find the Roku remote, which is this remote here. It says Roku on the bottom. On this remote, you have a power button, you have your controllers, you have a mic button, you have a return button, you have a pause, play, fast forward, rewind, and then you have a few streaming key icons. You have a home button here, and then you have audio up and down here. So you're going to turn on your Roku, pushing the power button. Once Roku's on, it will load up. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit get started. So you're going to use your remote, you're going to hit OK. And now you get to select your auto sign out date. So what this does is this automatically signs out all of your streaming accounts on this device from this Roku on a specific date. So you'd want this to be the date you check out, would be the date you want to auto sign out on. So you're going to hit up and you're going to select the date. So let's say April 18th is your checkout. You'd select OK. Sign me out on April 18th. You're going to hit OK to confirm. And then there's a confirmation message and you're going to hit start streaming. OK. Now it's loading. Once it loads, you will see you have access to all the streaming channels. So all you have to do is click on whichever one you want, and then you hit OK, and then it will load. Once it loads, it will take you into the streaming service. And now you're able to sign into your own personal account to start streaming. In order to get back, you would just hit back or you would hit home. You're back at the home screen. Now you never have to worry about signing out at checkout again. You'll just automatically get signed out on the date you selected. Then to turn Roku off, you just hit power when you're done.